All right, so for this one, we are talking about independent and dependent variables. And the independent variable is the one that you, as the scientist, chooses to change. A lot of people think that's weird because it's not independent of you, but it'll make more sense when we talk about the dependent. So the independent is the thing that you are choosing to change as the researcher. The dependent variable is going to depend on the independent. So it is going to be your data, and that's how I remember it. Dependent, data, start with D's. So that was your first. I can define independent variable. I can define dependent variable. I can identify the independent variable in an experiment, and I can identify the dependent variable in an experiment. So here we have this experiment where Ron wants to know if the amount of phone used before bed affects the quality of a person's sleep. He had one group use their phone for an hour before bed, one group use their phone for 30 minutes before bed, and one group not use the phone at all before bed. And he used a sleep tracker watches to evaluate the quality of sleep. So what did he choose to change? He chose to change how long they used their phone before bed. So that would be the independent variable, the length of time or the amount of phone use before bed. The dependent variable, the variable that he was collecting, his data, was the quality of sleep. So that would be the dependent variable. So independent, the amount of phone use before bed, which if you look, this is in his question or research kind of statement. And then his dependent was the quality of a person's sleep. And so usually your research question or your proposal is going to tie those two together. And I hope that helps.